हेलो एवरीवन जेहेतु आज नेशनल साइंस डे तो সেই উপলক্ষে ISSTত नेशनल साइंस डे आयोजन কৰিছে আৰু ইয়াতে কিট কিবা কিবি দি আছে ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন ডেস্ক ইয়াতে ইনভাইটেড মানুহকেইটাক টুপি দি আছে কেপ দি আছে আৰু আমাক দিছে ISST লগো আমি লগাইছোঁ এতিয়া আমি গৈ আছোঁ ছাৰ CB ৰমন ষ্টেচু তেখেতৰ জন্ম হৈছিল 7 নৱেম্বৰ 1888 আৰু মৃত্যু হৈছিল 21 নৱেম্বৰ 1970 আৰু ডিউ টু ৰমন ইফেক্ট তেখেতে 1928ত নোবেল লৰিয়েট বঁটা পাইছিলে আৰু আমাৰ ইনভাইটেড স্পিকাৰ আজি উদ্বোধনী কৰিব আমার পালসার দিব ইপিনে আমার রেজিস্টার স্যার রেডি হয়েছে আর বাকি ফ্যাকাল্টি এটা ফুল দিব কারণে রেডি হয়ে আছে Cancer. এতিয়া ISST ষ্টুডেণ্টে ফুল অৰ্পণ কৰিছে এতিয়া গ্ৰুপ ফটোৰ কাৰণে সবে প্ৰস্থান কৰিছে এতিয়া আমি প্ৰস্থান কৰিছোঁ অডিটৰিয়ামলৈ ISST অডিটৰিয়াম তাতে বাকি প্ৰগ্ৰামখিনি হ'ব তাতে লাইটিং লেম্প গোটেইখিনি হেৰি হ'ব এতিয়া APJ আব্দুল কালাম অডিটৰিয়াম ISST আৰু ভিতৰলৈ এণ্ট্ৰি মাৰিম সময় আমাৰ ISST অডিটৰিয়ামত দি আছোঁ
Good morning, everyone. On this auspicious occasion of National Science Day, I would like to welcome respected Director in Charge, ISST, Professor Devashree Chaudhary, Registrar Dr. Diganto Goswami, invited speakers, Sri Rahul S. Chatterjee and Professor Pranab Goswami, Professor Jayant Strutia, former Director of ISST, special guests, former faculties of ISST, esteemed faculty members, alumni, dear research scholars and students from different universities, staff and employees of ISST, it gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to this prestigious gathering at ISST.
मैं अरिजीत और मेरे साथ हैं अनन्या। आप सभी को इस विशेष अवसर पर हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। आज हम यहाँ एक ऐसे समारोह का हिस्सा बनने आए हैं जो विज्ञान, प्रेरणा और उपलब्धियों का सुंदर संगम है।
Today is not just an event, it's a celebration of knowledge, collaboration, and the spirit of scientific excellence.
कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करने से पहले हम ये उल्लेख करना चाहेंगे कि आज के इस विशेष अवसर की शुरुआत हमने महान वैज्ञानिक सर सीवी रामन जी को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हुए की।
A tribute to a Nobel laureate whose discovery of the Raman effect brought global recognition to Indian science and continues to inspire generation. His legacy remains a guiding light for all of us as we celebrate the spirit of science today.
आज उनकी प्रतिमा पर पुष्पांजलि अर्पित करते हुए हम उनके ज्ञान, समर्पण और वैज्ञानिक दृष्टि को श्रद्धा से स्मरण करते हैं। ओम शांति।
Now we move towards a sacred tradition, the ceremonial lighting of lamp. May I now request our director in charge, Professor Devashish Chaudhary, invited speaker and special guests to kindly grace the stage for the ceremony.
दीप प्रज्वलन ज्ञान के प्रकाश को फैलाने का प्रतीक है। यह दीप हमें नई दिशा और नई ऊर्जा प्रदान करे। ज्ञान की अधिष्ठात्री देवी माँ सरस्वती के आशीर्वाद के बिना कोई भी शुभ कार्य पूर्ण नहीं होता।
To invoke divine blessings, we now invite Miss Rajashri Dey for Saraswati Bandana.
नमस्कार। मैं अभी सरस्वती माता की वंदना गा के सुनाती हूँ। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती, जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती, तब चरणों प्रणमामः। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती, तब चरणों प्रणमामः। नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी, नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी, शरणन्ते गच्छामः। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती, तमसि शरण्या त्रिभुवनधान्या, सुरमणि वन्दिता चरणा, नवरस मधुरा अमृता मधुरा, स्मित रुचि रुचिरा भरणा। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती, तब चरण कुरु बोधि विकासन स्थित पंकज तनु विमले ललित कलामयी ज्ञान विभामयी वीणा पुस्तक धारिणी वीणा पुस्तक धारिणी मातिरस्थाने तब पद कमले ऐकुण्ठाभिषहारिणी जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तब तदुने प्रणमामः जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तब चरणों प्रणमामः नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी शरणन्ते गच्छामः जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती नमस्कार
Truly mesmerizing. Thank you for such a graceful performance. To formally welcome everyone, I now invite our respected Director in Charge, ISST, Professor Debashish Chaudhary, to deliver the welcome speech.
So, very good morning to all of you. Director ISST, Professor Dhakepalkar in absentia. Former Director Professor Jayanti Chutia, also in absentia. Actually, she was not well, so she communicated that she will not be able to attend this event. Distinguished guest Shri Rahul Chatterjee, Professor Pranab Goswami, who will be joining shortly. Special invited guests, my senior colleagues, my esteemed colleagues from academic and administration, students who have come from different colleges and universities, research scholars, postdoctoral fellow, other researchers, my dear friends. Like every year, ISST is proudly celebrating this National Science Day, joining the scientific institution across the country to celebrate this important occasion. It is my privilege on behalf of ISST to extend your warm welcome to all the guests and participants who have gathered here in National Science Day. We commemorate this day in honor of the discovery of Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman, a discovery that has demonstrated how fundamental research can bring global recognition to Indian science. It has established India's presence in global community. This day reminds us of the importance of nurturing scientific temper and promoting innovation for societal progress. As in India aspire to be Viksit Bharat, science and technology need to become the center pillar of national progress. Technological self-reliance, evidence-based solutions, and societal challenges, thereby positioning India in the global map in knowledge and innovation. As you are aware, this year's theme is Women in Science, Catalyzing Viksit Bharat. This theme resonates deeply with our organization. the inspiration of a developed India cannot be realized without the full and equitable contribution of women and participation of women in science and technology and innovation. We take immense pride that our institute was inaugurated by Nobel laureate Professor Dorothy Hodgkin, symbolizing the strong foundation of scientific excellence and global vision upon which ISST was established. Indian science have profoundly shaped by pioneering women researchers such as Janaki Ammal, Ashima Chatterjee, Anandibai Joshi, Anna Mani, and many others who have inspired generation of researchers through their dedication and scientific excellence. Photographs of some of these greats, women scientists, adore this auditorium. If you look around, some of the pioneers, women scientists, photographs are there in this auditorium. And this constantly remind our enduring legacy and contribution to Indian science. So, actually, you are all aware of a documented landmark volume, Lilavati Daughters. I think most of them have read this Lilavati Daughters. Actually, it's a collection of essays that celebrates the lives, the struggle, the achievement of Indian scientists. This book is not a biography, but an intellectual history and inspiration for all of us. And we are especially honored that in this Lilavati Daughters, our former director, Professor Jayanti Chutia, who is an eminent Indian scientist, physicist in solid state physics and plasma physics, features in that. Her research contribution on material science and condensed matter have contributed immensely in scientific research in India and abroad. Beyond her scholarly achievement, she made history when she was the first woman director of a major scientific institution when she became director of ISST Guwahati. Her leadership marked a definite phase of institutional growth, strengthening research infrastructure, enhancing academic vigor, fostering interdisciplinary research. Her journey does not only scientific excellence, but also her administrative vision and institutional commitment. We are also in many ways testimony of transformative role that our women scientists have played in shaping and developing ISST. Some of our women scientist members are here. Their intellectual culture, research diversity, and academic standing in this institute bear their imprint. We are extremely happy that they have joined today in today's National Science Day celebration. I also warmly welcome our alumni, Dr. Neelam Gogoi and Dr. Arun Kumar, who are proudly carrying ISST's flag abroad through their scientific achievement. They will be delivering scientific talk online, and I am confident that their experience and accomplishment will inspire our students and young researchers to pursue excellence in science. I thank our guest speakers today for accepting our invitation to deliver the talk today. Science is not only pursuit of knowledge, but a powerful instrument for societal transformation. As we move towards the vision of Viksit Bharat, let us continue to foster curiosity, encourage inclusive participation, and strive for research that create impact. May this occasion inspire all of us, especially our young researchers and students, to think boldly, work rigorously, and contribute to the scientific future of our nation, Bharat. Thank you very much.
धन्यवाद सर आपके ज्ञानवर्धक शब्दों के लिए. We would now like to felicitate our honorable speaker, Professor Rahul S. Chatterjee sir, with a Fulham Gamusa and a token of appreciation from ISST fraternity. I would like to request Professor Debashish Chaudhary sir to kindly felicitate our guest.
We now move towards a moment of deep respect and gratitude, the felicitation of our esteemed retired faculty members whose dedication has shaped this institution. On this special occasion of National Science Day, under the theme Women in Science Catalyzing Viksit Bharat, we are specially honored to celebrate the remarkable journeys of 6 accomplished women who have been the pillars of ISST. Their contribution to science, mentorship, and nation building truly embody the spirit of this theme. Today, we would like to felicitate them not just for their years of service, but also their legacy. A legacy that continues to inspire and catalyze the vision of Viksit Bharat. So now, I would like to call upon to the stage former Professor Sabitri C. Bordaloy, Professor Dipali Devi, Professor Rajlakshmi Devi, Professor Lipi B. Mohanta, and Professor Arundhati Devi. I also request Professor Debashish Chaudhary sir to kindly felicitate our special guest. I also request respected Registrar sir to kindly grace the stage and join us for the felicitation ceremony.
লাইটটো বন্ধ কৰিব লাগে,
লাইটটো বন্ধ কৰিব, লাইটটো
প্ৰজেক্টৰ লাইটটো বন্ধ কৰিব লাগে।
গগৈ এই লাইটটো বন্ধ কৰি দিব।
অঁ এতিয়া হৈছে।
हमारे लिए गर्व और सम्मान का विषय है कि हम उन शिक्षकों को सम्मान कर रहे हैं जिन्होंने अपने ज्ञान, मार्गदर्शन और समर्पण से इस संस्थान को नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाया. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our respected professors for their invaluable contributions.
Now comes an exciting moment, the inauguration of the first edition of the newsletter of B.R. Ambedkar Center for Community Empowerment, shortly BRACE. The B.R. Ambedkar Center for Community Empowerment at IISST is a dedicated center created to meet its societal goals. The activities of BRACE are broadly grouped into science awareness and training programs, science and technology interventions, and rural entrepreneurship development targeted towards the underprivileged sections of the society, especially the ST/SC communities.
यह पहल न केवल ज्ञान को साझा करने का माध्यम है, बल्कि नई सोच को प्रोत्साहित करने का एक प्रयास भी।
May I now request our dignitaries, Director in Charge Professor Devashish Chaudhary sir, Head Life Science Division Professor Mojibur R. Khan sir, esteemed speaker Rahul S. Chatterjee sir, and our guests to kindly grace the stage to unveil the newsletters.
शानदार प्रयास के लिए बधाई।
The high tea will be served outside the auditorium. The respected dignitaries and the faculty members are kindly requested to move towards the office canteen Rasaratna for the tea. We will resume our program shortly.
এতিয়া আমি প্ৰস্থান কৰিম হাইটিলে ব্লক আমাৰ ইপিনে হাইটি লাইন এইটো ভিডিঅ' ইয়াতে সামৰণি মাৰিছোঁ বাবাই জয় অসম।